Skinnamarink dinky dink, Skinnamarinky doo. I love you. Hello, we're on the air. Surprise us everywhere. Your wacky, nutty, funny friends are here. So cheer. We're Sharon, Lois Bram.
That's me.
That's me.
I am.
With Copycat.
And Ella, we're complete.
A sweet Skinnamarinky dink TV time. The only I love you TV that you will find. What do you say for something fun to see? Skinnamarink TV. Stay tuned.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Skinnamarink TV.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Skinnamarink TV.
We're ready to start our day. Are you?
We're ready to start our day. Are you?
CC.
But first.
But first.
CC Copycat!
Whoa!
Watch out!
For the big red button.
That's strange. Nothing happened.
That's strange. Nothing happened.
Ella, that's not funny.
Ella, that's not funny.
Two can play at that game.
Two can play at that game.
Two can... Excuse me. Two can... I can't do it!
He can't do it, and I can.
Skinnamarink!
And now it's good news with Leanna Brianna Smith on location.
Good morning. I'm Leanna Brianna Smith for Nudgoose. Good news. I'm here on location in my neighborhood for an exclusive interview with Mr. Earlobe.
It's Earl Loeb.
Mr. Earl Loeb, three-time world cheering hearing champion. Welcome to the neighborhood, Mr. Loeb. Tell me, would you mind answering a few questions for our viewers?
I'm all ears.
What's it like to have such good hearing?
Excuse me. Would you mind crunching those carrots a little more quietly? A fella's trying to have a conversation.
Oh, sorry.
Wow, that's amazing.
Do you mind?
Mind what? Oh, sorry. Now, you were about to tell us what it's like to have such good hearing.
It's noisy. You live in a very noisy neighborhood around here.
Yes, it's great, isn't it?
You like it?
I love it.
I love that honk, that whistle and crash that I hear in my neighborhood. Because that honk, that whistle and crash make me feel so good. I like all the people, the girls and the boys, but give me some more of that beautiful noise, that honk, a bang, a whistle and crash that I hear in my neighborhood.
Those sirens are killing me.
What sirens?
Those sirens.
Wow!
To hear a great big drill. Oh, what a thrill. A subway train roars by. I want to sigh to hear a big dog bark, sweet as a lark, and the honking of a car and the banging of a door are things that I could listen to forevermore. I love that honk, a bang, a whistle and crash that I hear in my neighborhood, because that make me feel so good. I like all the people, the girls and the boys, but give me some more of that beautiful noise, that honk, a bang, a whistle and crash that I hear in my neighborhood. Oh yeah, that I
no fear, CC Copycat is here with my all-new patented miracle ear plugs. Order now and you'll get 2, 1 for each ear. Order an extra 3 dozen, you'll get 1 cent. That's 1 penny discount.
I'm Leanna Brianna Smith saying, Dud gay and nud goose. Good day and good news.
Come on down to the farm for the farm report with our country cousin, Henny Hayseed.
Well, hi there, friends. Cousin Henny here with a very special guest. But I hope he doesn't hog the show. Hey, kids, say hi to Piggly.
Howdy, Piggly!
Excuse me, Mr. Piggly. I'm a little bit allergic, but never mind. You are awfully cute, Piggly. Hey, kids, would you like to see Piggly do some tricks?
Yeah!
Okay, watch closely. Piggy, don't try to run away. I want you to roll over. Come on, Piggy, come on, roll over. Piggy, show everybody how you sit. Sit, it's Piggly. Hey, Piggly, you want to talk to me? Come on over here, Piggly. Let me hear you. What's that you said? You want to... Piggly says he knows how to sing. Come here, Piggly. He says if you listen closely, he'll sing me the words, and I'll translate for all of you. Are you ready? Yeah!
Some pigs like to eat. Some pigs like to sleep. Some pigs like to party all day long. But I'm the kind of pig that doesn't care a fig. Just as long as I can sing this song.
I hope you like pigs, kids, because we're going to sing a real pig-out song together, like this.
Oink-A-Doink, oink-A-Doink-A-Doink, oink-A-Doink-A-Doink-A-Doo. Oink-A-Doink, oink-A-Doink-A-Doink, oink-A-doink-A-doink-A-doo. It may sound funny, but a day's more sunny when you sing a song or two. Like oink-A-doink, oink-A-doink-A-doink, oink-A-doink-A-doink-A-doo. Let's sing it.
Hi there, Piggy. Oh, you're so beautiful. What's under here, Mr. Piggy? It may sound funny, but it is more sunny when you sing a song or two. Sing it, girls.
Like oink-a-doink, oink-a-doink-a-doink, oink-a-doink-a-doink-a-doodly-doo. Oink-a-doink-a-doink-a-doo.
Let's be piggish.
Oink-a-doink, oink-a-doink-a-doink, oink-a-doink-a-doink-a-doo.
Piggies.
It may sound funny, but it tastes more sunny when you sing a song or two. Like oink-a-doink,
Oink-A-doink-A-doink,
oink-a-doink-a-doink-a-doodly-doo. Oink-a-doink-a-doink-a-doodly-doo.
Oh, well, that's it from the farm today, folks. This is Cousin Henny saying I'll be back in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. So bye for now, and...
Hey, everybody!
What's that?
Show!
What's that?
Welcome to What's That, the show where you get to guess what's that. I'm your What's That cat, CC Copycat. And here's my co-host with the mo-host, Ella
Thanks, Copycat. Today we're playing What's That Sound? And here are our contestants, the Singing Sage. She, darling. And Inspector Gumshoe.
Okay, listen carefully and tell me, what's that sound? Meep, meep, meep. Singing Sage, what's that sound?
I see a car. I hear a horn. It's a car horn.
Correct!
I know. It's a car horn.
You're a little late, Inspector. Now here's our next sound. Listen carefully. What's that sound? Chug, 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 chug. She, darling?
It's a darling little train, isn't it? Oh, of course it is.
Oh, of course it is. Yes, it's a darling little train.
My keen intuition tells me it's a train.
Late again, Inspector. Now it's time for our mystery guest. Everybody ready? Who is our mystery guest? Listen carefully. What's that sound?
I know. It's a fly. I'm right, aren't I? It's a fly.
Absolutely correct, to everyone's amazement. It is or should I say was.
Oh, poor fly. I didn't mean to hurt you. It's flying. It's flying.
And speaking of flying, we've got to fly. See you next time on
What's That?
What was the question? Top of the morning to you. Welcome to the construction site. This is Shameless O'Toole himself, and I'm welcoming you. This is my friend Emma. Are you ready to start building?
Yeah.
Okay, well, today we're going to make a paper cup telephone. You ever seen one of those before?
No.
Okay. Well, first of all, you got to start with 2 ordinary paper cups. We take these 2 paper cups and we take a sharp pencil. Now, you got to be careful with it. You got to have an adult around with you when you use one of these because it can poke you. And what we want to do is we want to poke a hole right in the middle of the bottom of that cup. Could you do that?
Sure.
Give it a good push. Oh, that's perfect. Now, let's do the other one. Okay, now we're ready for,
Good morning. May I be of assistance?
Well, I think you probably can. I'd be needing a length of string.
String.
Aye.
String, you say. String. I think we can accommodate that.
Ah.
One moment. How's that?
That'd be just the right kind.
All right, then.
That's good. Yeah, that's very good now.
Keep her coming.
That's very good. No, that's just about enough now. That's just fine. Just fine. You can stop now. Yeah, perfect. Thanks a lot.
My pleasure.
Okay, well, we got some string from the guy in the sewer, but it's a whole lot more than we need. Would you hold that end, please? I'm going to cut it just about there. That's perfect. Always put your tools back. Okay, now what we got to do is we got to shove the string down through that hole. And, oh, there it is. There it is. It's going through. See that? Now what you can do is you can use the tip of the pencil to grab the string out from inside. There. Now here's what I'd like you to do. I'm going to start it off. You make a few knots just right where that is so it makes a nice big knot. And I'll do it to the other one, okay? On the other cup. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well.
Okay. I'm going to tie a few knots in this one. You done?
Yeah.
Okay, pull it through and make sure it doesn't come out. Okay, let's see.
Yep, perfect.
Yeah? Mine's good too. Okay, now is the test. Put this side up to your ear.
Okay.
And I'm going to pull this string tight. And what happens when I talk into this, it makes the bottom of the cup vibrate back and forth real fast. And those vibrations, they travel down the string into the bottom of your cup. Point it toward me just a little bit. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, good, it works. Well, there you have it. A paper cup telephone fit for royalty. Well, this is Shameless O'Toole bidding you goodbye from the construction site. And remember, you build it better when you build it yourself. Hello?
Hi, Shameless. So what's new?
Copycat's upset because he can't copy anymore.
Can't copy. Can't copy. I can't.
Can't copy. Can't copy. I can.
There's only one thing left to do.
Not the big red button!
'Tis a far better thing I do than I have ever done before.
There was an old man and he had an old sow. Ow, ow, I diddle dow. There was an old man and he had an old sow. Lots of around. Oh, Susannah's a funny old man. And Susannah's a funny old man. Sing cheerful, bright and gay. Sing happily all of the day. Susannah's a funny old man. And Susannah's a funny old man. Now this old sow had 9 little pigs. Eggs, I diddle digs. Now this old sow, she had 9 little pigs. Lots of around. Oh, Susannah's a funny old man. And Susannah's a funny old man. Sing cheerful, bright and gay. Sing happily all of the day. Susannah's a funny old man. And Susannah's a funny old man.
They tried to climb over the garden wall. All, I diddled all. They tried to climb over the garden wall.
Lots of around. Oh, Susannah's a funny old man. And Susannah's a funny old man. Sing cheerful, bright and gay. Sing happily all of the day.
Susannah's a funny old man. And
Susannah's a funny old man. Susannah's a funny old man. Stay tuned.
1 potato,
2 potatoes. 3 potatoes.
4.
5 potatoes. 6 potatoes.
Good night, kids. It's sleepy time.
No, it's creepy time, theater.
What was that?
Nothing.
Sounded like something to me.
What if it was one of those whistling monsters?
Oh, I'm sure there's a logical explanation.
what if it really was a whistling monster?
There is no whistling monster, I don't think. Oh, it's the wind. It was just the wind.
It was just the wind,
I
Lois.
knew there wasn't a whistling monster.
There's always a logical explanation for everything.
Yes. Except that.
What's the matter? You never heard a little bomp before?
A what?
You know, things that go bomp in the night.
Oh, that bomb.
Put the bump in the bump, the bump, the bump. Who put the ram in the ram-a-lam-a-ding-dong? Who put the bop in the bop, shabop, shabop? Who put the dip in the dip, 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 dip? Who was that man? I'd like to shake his hand. He made my baby fall in love with me. Yeah, when my baby heard bump, 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 bump. Every word in the bop, shabop, shabop. Who put the dip in the dip, 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 dip? Who was that man? I'd like to shake his hand. He made my baby fall in love with me. Each time that we're alone, boogity, 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 shoot, sets my baby's heart all aglow. And every time we dance to dip, 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 she always says she loves me so. Who put the bump in the bump, a bump, a bump? Who put the ram in the ram-a-lam-a-ding-dong? Who put the bop in the bop, shabop, shabop? Who put the dip in the dip, 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 dip? Who was that man? I'd like to shake his hand. He made my baby fall in love with me. He made my baby fall in love with
Lamma, 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 ding dong.
Made my baby fall in love with
Boogity, 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 shoot.
Made my baby fall in love with dip, 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 dip.
What's the logical explanation for that?
Yeah, Sharon.
Oh, Sharon.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, in the first concert of our exciting new flu season, the Cold Comfort Trio.
Just like to say, we can't stay quiet all day.
Bram, why are you sounding like me?
You mean sounding like me?
Excuse me, but that's my voice you're using.
I can't stand it anymore. I'm the only one who doesn't sound like anyone but me.
The big red button!
Testing. Yes.
Testing! Yeah! Testing! Yay!
Testing? Ah! We all sound like ourselves again!
Skinnamarink!
I'm sure glad that's over.
Me too!
You can say that again.
Not you, CC Copycat!
Skinnamarink dinky dink, Skinnamarink doo. I love you. Skinnamarink dinky dink, Skinnamarink doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening underneath the moon. Skinnamarink